Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Expedia flight. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to expedia.com. Then from here, we need to make sure to sign into our account. Because if you don't sign into your account, you're not going to be able to access your trips and your flights. So once you sign in, to the left of that, we've got the trips button. So click on the trips. Now this is where all of your trips are going to appear here, including your flights, your hotels, etc. So from here, you want to go ahead and select your booking. Now you need to make sure if your booking is eligible, you can see a cancel flight or cancel trip option next to it. Now basically click it to begin the cancellation progress. Then you want to review the cancellation details. So before confirming, Expedia will show you whether your ticket is refundable, any airline cancellation fees, whether you'll receive a refund, a small refund, or even airline credit, the estimated return or refund amount if applicable. Then basically from there, just review the information carefully and then select confirm cancellation. Expedia will send you a confirmation email once the cancellation is processed.